Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today is the day I'm announcing the winner of the Rose Cricut Maker. I wanted to first thank everybody for jumping in and telling me why you would want to have a Cricut Maker. It was really interesting to see all the different things you guys are excited to do with it, and also for subscribing to my YouTube channel and getting that notification so you always see when I have new videos coming out. I really appreciate that. Now, if you are interested in a Cricut Maker, or if you are just want to get more information about Cricut Maker, be sure and come over and follow me on my Facebook group, Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill, and we talk about Cricut Maker exclusively in that group. All right, so I know you all are here because you want to know who won. So I apologize for the slight delay, but I needed to go through and validate all the winners. We had so many people enter this contest. It was really exciting. And I needed to validate the random.org winner that was selected and go through and verify that they had met all the criteria to be able to get the prize, and notify that person yesterday and get information back from them to confirm that yes, indeed, they are the official winner. So that's why there was a delay. Sorry about that. But so without further ado, drum roll, the winner of the Rose Cricut Maker and the Scoring Wheel Combo Pack is Anne-Marie Yulin. Yes, Anne-Marie, you win. We're so excited that you will get the Cricut Maker. Thank you, Cricut, for giving me the prize to be able to give to one of my viewers. I have a lot more prizes that I will be giving away over the coming months, so be sure and stay tuned here on my YouTube channel. I always make an announcement of them here. And then also come and watch the different tutorial videos that I'm putting out, and there's going to be a new project thread where I'm going to actually just be working on different projects, and you guys can see how to use your Cricut Makers to work on different materials. Anyway, thanks so much. Congratulations, Anne-Marie Yulin. Cricut will get your prize out to you right away, and hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And thank you so much for coming here and following me, Debbie O'Neill at Scrap Me Quick Designs.